Hello students and welcome to today's lecture. In this session, we will discuss hand tools, which are devices that operate on a physical system using only the hands. Hand tools may be manually operated, or in some cases they may be electrically powered, such as battery operated tools. Hand tools are extremely important in engineering and works of practice because they help us apply or direct force, and they allow us to hold objects tightly while performing machining operations like cutting, drilling, soldering, sawing and shaping. In today's class, we will study screwdrivers, pliers, vices, and tweezers. Let us begin with screwdriver. A screwdriver is one of the most basic and essential hand tools. It is used for driving screws, and it works by engaging the tip into the screw head and producing torque through rotation. Screwdrivers are manufactured according to industrial standards such as DIN and ISI. We have screwdrivers with cross type tips, and they come in both short blades and long blades. The short blades usually range from 25 to 40 mm in length, and to differentiate them, a 0 is placed in front of the tip number. Today we also have cordless screwdrivers powered by batteries, which are widely used for convenience and speed. When selecting a screwdriver, it is important to choose one that matches the width of the blade with the slot of the screw and is suitable for the type of workpiece. One very important safety point is that screwdrivers are not designed for chipping or prying. If used incorrectly, the screwdrivers can be damaged and the user can easily get injured. Let's watch a small clip related to screwdriver.
In this media, you will learn about screwdriver. Screwdriver is a tool used for tightening or loosening the screw. The screwdriver should be inserted in right angle vertically on the axis of the screw head. Screwdriver is rotated in anti-clockwise direction for loosening of screws. It is rotated clockwise direction for tightening of screws. Always use correct width of blade in the correct screw. By using a bigger width of blade in the smaller screw would eventually damage the workpiece. Screwdrivers are available in standard variable dimensions as shown. Screwdrivers are also available in different handle and blade shapes. They should be used to the corresponding screw sizes. Instrument screwdrivers are used to turn very small screws. Such screws are used in instrument like watches, clock, cell phones, and so on. Instrument screwdrivers are available in various standard sizes as shown. Impact screwdrivers are used to tighten or loosen the screws that are very tight by hammering it. General safety precautions. The screwdriver, like any other, has limitations and safety requirements that must be followed. Screwdrivers come in different sizes, so always select the right screwdriver for the job. Inspect the screwdriver for physical damage to the head of insulation and reject any damaged screwdrivers. Do not use a screwdriver as a pry bar, since the blade is hardened to keep it from wearing, and the harder it is, the easier it will break. Numerous injuries have resulted from slipping screwdrivers penetrating the palm of the hand. A screwdriver is not a chisel, and the handle can easily crack and split, resulting in an injury. Ensure that your screwdriver has the correct insulation rating if you are performing electrical work. Thus, you have learned about screwdriver.
Next, let us talk about pliers. Pliers are hand tools used for holding, gripping, pulling, and turning small parts and components. They are also used for shaping and bending light sheet metal and for forming, bending, twisting, and cutting small diameter wires. The force that we apply through the handle of the pliers is amplified and focused precisely on the object being held. This makes pliers extremely useful for tasks that require strong grip or precision. Pliers consist of two legs joined by a pivot. Each leg has a long handle and a short jaw. If the legs are crossed at the pivot, the jaw will close and when pressure is applied to the handles. Pliers may have serrated jaws which provide better grip or plain jaws which are used when the work surface should not be damaged. For better understanding, let's watch a small clip on this topic.
In this media, you are going to learn about the use of pliers in a workshop. These are used to hold the objects firmly for bending or for physical compression. One can apply the force on the hand's grip and focus on an object with precision. Pliers are used for holding, gripping, pulling, and turning small parts and components. Pliers consist of a pair of legs which are joined by a pivot. Each leg consists of a long handle and a short jaw. The jaws will close when pressure is applied to the handles. The jaws may be serrated type or plain type. Serrated type of jaws will have threads on its face that is used as a grip to hold the workpiece. Plain jaws will have a smooth surface on its face. There are two types of cutting pliers, namely end cutting and diagonal cutting plier. End cutting pliers are used to cut small diameter wires, pins, nails, and to remove nails from wood. Diagonal cutting pliers are used for cutting small diameter wires and cables, especially when they are close to terminals. Flat nose plier, long nose plier, and round nose plier are other types of pliers that are being used in a workshop. Flat nose pliers are used for shaping of wires and metal pieces into required shapes. Round nose pliers are used to form curves in wires and light metal strips. The conical shape of the jaws makes it possible to form curves and circles of various dimensions. Long nose pliers are used to hold small parts, especially in confined areas. They are also used to adjust fine wires, contacts, and other parts. These pliers are having a wide range of applications in industries and also in household applications. Remember that one should hold the workpiece according to its softness. General safety precautions. Although being quite useful for many purposes, pliers are not without limitations and should be used with these limitations in mind. Select and inspect the pliers before undertaking the work and reject any damaged pliers. Avoid using pliers on hardened surfaces as they become dull and lose their grip. Do not use pliers for tightening or loosening nuts and bolts. Use a spanner instead. Never pull pliers towards your face. Serious injury might result if the pliers slip. You have learnt about different kinds of pliers, uses, and the precautions to be taken.
Now let's move to vises, sometimes called vise. A vise is a mechanical screw apparatus used to hold or clamp the workpiece firmly. It allows us to perform work safely using tools like saws, planes, drills, mills, screwdrivers, and sandpaper. A vise generally has two parallel jaws, one is fixed and the other is movable, operated by a screw. The vise is usually fixed on a workbench and such vises are known as bench vises. There are different types of vises depending on the purpose. Bench vises, machine vises, angle vises, carpentry vises. Regardless of the type, the primary purpose of the vise is to hold the workpiece securely so that work can be done accurately and safely. Finally, let's discuss tweezer. A tweezer is a tool used for picking up small objects that cannot be handled easily with the human hand. Tweezers can hold lightweight objects like screwdrivers, small screws, uh, very thin wires, and tiny components. Their slim and precise structure allows them to reach places where human fingers simply cannot reach. Tweezers are extremely useful during soldering operations, electronic component placement, and handling small internal parts of devices. Apart from engineering applications, tweezers are also used by beauticians to remove unwanted hair. Over time, many specialized tools have evolved from the basic tweezer design, especially in fields like electronics, medical applications, and precision engineering.
In this media, you will learn about the tweezers. Tweezers are used to pick up any lightweight object. Tweezers are thin in its structure. This structure helps for easy accessibility to tweezers where fingers cannot reach. Tweezers are very useful while soldering. During soldering, tweezers can hold the small-sized wires. While working with small electronic chips, tweezers play a major role. This helps to handle the small electronic components like resistor, capacitors, and so on. Tweezers help for placing the small screws in the respective slots. There are different sizes of tweezers available. These are used according to their applications. Tweezers used in medical field are also called as forceps. Thus, you have learnt about the tweezers.
In summary, hand tools such as screwdrivers, pliers, vices, and tweezers play an essential role in mechanical work and precision handling. They allow us to apply force, hold objects, shape materials, and work safely and accurately. Understanding the correct use, construction, and application of these tools is important to prevent damage and avoid injury. This brings us to the end of the lecture. Thank you for listening.